Ndomereri ya gikuo kia murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya Safaricom irekirie kurekererio muthi mathaini ma kiroko undu uria utigite aingi magicakaya agikira ndeto ino mukonde. Muikariri giti wa bodi ya Safaricom Nicholas Ng'ang'a ni augire muturire wa Kolimo ukinyire muthia ari gwake mucii rucini rwa gukia umuthi ari na ukuru wa miaka 61 thutha wa ihinda iraya ria guthinio ni murimu wa kansa ya thakame.
Bob has fought this cancer with great fortitude, great courage, and with everything that he had. And all that time he has continued, even from his bed and from his house, to give leadership to the company, for which we are truly grateful.
Ni arakoragwo agithie nja wa bururi gwetha urigiti na mwaka wa 2017 ni athiete bururi-ini wa Ngeretha ihinda-ini ria mieri 9 kurigitwo, no ni acokereirie bururi-ini kuria aramukagira urigiti thibitari-ini wa Aga Khan goko Nairobi.
He was there for about 9 months, and in that time he went a series of rounds of treatment, and it seemed like the treatment had worked and worked well, and Bob was able to resume his duties in July 2018.
Kambuni ya Safaricom ni cakaite gikuo giake na kuria Ng'ang'a augite megukorwo magitia Kolimo kwitukira gukinyaniria mibango yake iria atiga itarikite.
This family, the Safaricom family, will continue to build on Bob's legacy. We will honor him by completing the work that he began and which he so passionately espoused.
Kolimo ni atiga mutumia umwe hamwe na ciana 4 na mihango ya kumuhurukia gatafanio muthenya wa rucio ni andu a nyumba yake, na thutha muthia-ini wa kiumia ni gugakorwo na igongona ria mitha ya mahoya ria maramui.
There will be a private interment process tomorrow, but later on in the week, hopefully Thursday or Friday, there will be a memorial service for all those who knew and cared for Bob.
Atongoria ngurani ni macakaite gikuo giake, President Uhuru Kenyatta akimugweta ta mundu urari wa bata hari ukuria wa bururi uyu na makiria kioneki-ini gia Vision 2030 kuria arari mumemba wa bodi. Agiaria mamucakaite ni munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto, mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga gatagati kangi. Bob Kolimo agathiriirio ta mundu urerutire kunyita itemi hari ukuria wa bururi na gikuo giake giatiga ithenya inene kuri kambuni ya Safaricom. Handu-ini Hajata TV de kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Ritwa riakwa ni Njeri wa Njoroge.